Hello guys, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've just been busy with other stuff like building these trains and Build-A-Boat. So, first off, we have this steam locomotive, which I built recently. We have this steam locomotive, which has these two train cars, which are just basically like flatbeds with walls and like railing and working the seats. And the engine has a firebox, which you can open and close. Oh wait, it's already unanchored. And I use this boat motor to move it. It functions really good. And here's the wheel mechanic for the engine. Barely any of them don't spin. They all usually spin all the time. So yeah, that's about it for this one. Now for my next one, this one, which I'm not really impressed with because the wheels don't even spin. I just wanted to get this one out of the way, just so you can see what I'm trying to do here. Don't forget even making it metal. This one was a huge disappointment. And oops, I did not mean to do that. Space right now. I'm gonna add in the seat, double that, and add in the motor, then on anchor. And as you can see, it barely even spins. Yeah, it's stupid. So yeah, this one was a huge disappointment. Oh great, I bet that's because I used wood for this. So that one was a huge disappointment. We also have this one, which is basically just another subway train. Wait, you haven't even seen my first one. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna bother with that one. It's just a few. It functions really good. I couldn't even set up the track because it would always be stupid and not let me set up the track. Anyways, this was my first train that I built. This was my third train that I built, and the first one I built with the realistic wheel mechanic that I used for that steam locomotive back there. So yeah, as you can see, for this one I used just regular wheels, and I did this. Yeah, in my previous video, I showed you the train mechanic. Well, this is that exact train. I made the video with the same train before I, built up the rest of it. But yep, still works the exact same. I don't think this was in the video, but I added hinges on the bottom of the freaking. I added hinges to the bottom of the the springs, so it can turn like that, and you can get a problem like this. But yeah, it's not really that special. And this one takes a long time to load, so I'll see you when it's loaded. I'll see you when it's done loading. Alright guys, the train is done loading, which I'm not gonna bother trying to set up the track because it's not gonna work. I'm just gonna do that, and yeah, it's literally been acting stupid and just acting like the whole thing has collision off. It's just stupid. Oh, there's the train. Oh, there's that. Yeah, I worked really hard on the train. Point is, it's basically just like a lot of other builds I make. I work super hard on it just for it to turn out like this. These switches open the doors, and yeah. Overall, it was a pretty cool concept, but yeah, it just didn't really work out. Yeah, there's the rails. Again, I used servos for the couplers because they just turn. It turns easy. So yeah, it allows the train act more realistic. But yeah, here's what it looks like. It's not really the best thing I made. I mean, hey, it was the first train I made fully custom with no tutorials. But yeah, now I'm gonna spawn in the train that you probably came here for, the diesel electric, which if you've been paying any attention to my community tab, you would know that I uploaded a community post about this thing last night. Well, technically tonight when I'm filming this. Yeah, when I'm filming this, I literally just uploaded the community post, got on Build-A-Boat, and started filming. So yeah. And I'm gonna just set the video to premiere because right now I've been kind of staying up and getting up at freaking like 4 o'clock. So yeah, I've been trying to fix that. So I'm just setting the freaking video. I'm setting the video to premiere. Alright. Yeah, you can already see a bit of it there. Alright. I'll show you what it's like as soon as it stops loading. Or as soon as it's done loading. I'm gonna go for the train car. But it seems like it's done. So unanchor everything. What, do I have isolation on? No, I'm gonna fix that so nobody tries to steal my thing. Alright. So yeah, here's the inside of the train car so far. Empty, I know. I need to fix that by adding freaking seats. I need to add seats. And since this is the back of the train, I'm gonna make it like the engine train cars or whatever they're called, where it has a built-in engine so you can drive it from the back. But yeah, I'm gonna make it kind of like that. And there it is. Basically the main reason I made this video. This beauty. Diesel Electric. One Services Diesel Electric number 433. Yep. I added this, which in case you're wondering how I made it climbable, I just added invisible ladders. This is basically the exact same spot I took one of the pictures. I added more stripes since I took the pictures. We got the beautiful looking railing. Another ladder. The motor, which I'm keeping it visible in case I need to move it later. We got this. And the numbers. There's the front of it. And when this thing is done, I'm probably gonna upgrade it to not just have a freaking square front like this, but probably more like up here, like with curves and stuff, like I did with the back. But yeah, the 2 second round seats. Here's the driver's seat. We got the interior lights. We got the headlights. Oh, my bad. The back lights. And the headlights. So, yeah. And I can drive it as well, since, well, boat motor. But yeah, this thing is literally the best thing I've ever made in Build-A-Boat. This is literally my greatest creation, and I used 0 tutorials. The only tutorials I used for the steam engine, the new subway. The only tutorials I used for the new subway, the diesel electric, and that steam engine were for the wheels, and for my old subway, I didn't even use any tutorials. So yeah. But this one, yep, I think this has to be my greatest creation. Oh no. I'd also press 4 in the chat to pay respects to my Rotodyne. I freaking law. Yep. Press 4 in the chat to pay respects to my helicopter. I accidentally overrided it. Then I rebuilt it and realized I could just freaking loaded a previous save slot, a previous version of the save slot, so I could have prevented me from rebuilding it and it failing, because when I rebuilt it with titanium, it just freaking failed. So yeah. But yep, I can literally just drive this thing everywhere. And hey, the advantage with using boat motors instead of wheels is that I can turn it. I can literally turn the train and go wherever I want. I can literally just go wherever I want. So yeah. Yeah, that's basically it for my train. So yeah, that's about it for my trains. I mean, I do have a few more, like the variations of the Von Express, like which I used Lava Flow's tutorial to make the main train, and I made her my own custom cards. That's for the Von Express 1. The other ones I made, this one is a freight train, and this one's a weapons train. Basically anything that has weapons in it is mainly like a weapon. I just make it red. But yeah, that's about it. Like, maybe I can do a part 2 where I show off the Von Expresses. It's like, not the Von Expresses. This one, and this home, I split it into different save slots because this one, it deleted a lot of stuff when I tried to freaking keep it in the same slot. So yeah, it's complicated, but yeah. Point is, I split into different save slots. This one is just the Von Express, the old passenger Von Express, but better. Well, I mean, Halloween themed, not better. But yeah. Eventually, I'm gonna upgrade the Halloween Von Express is to be the new Von Express, but Halloween themed. So yeah, maybe I'll do a part 2. I mean, just tell me in the comments if you want a part 2, and if enough people say it, then I will make a part 2. Yeah. I'd say at least if at least four people say they want a part 2, then I'll make a part 2, and I'll probably eventually make a part 3 because I am basically building a lot of trains in Build-A-Boat. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe because I need freaking. I want fans. I hope people enjoy my videos. Anyways, just please like, subscribe. Anyways, bye.